Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be testing out this amazing gun called the SupaSplat paintball gun. Since I don't have any paintballs right now, I'm going to be having to use a bullet right here. So, let's test out the speed. Not the speed though, I can't test that out, but I can see how far it goes. Let's see how far it goes, how high it goes, and that's it. Then let's see how great it is. So, first we are going to shoot the bullet right over to that silverish car right there. It's pretty tiny, but that's okay. Okay, so all the way over from here. Okay, let's see how it's done. To reload it, we've got to do that part. We got to push it out like this. I'll show you. Wait. Okay, I loaded it. Okay, let's see. See how it's done. Let's see what this guy can do. Okay, let's see. Boom. Uh-oh. That was because of the tree right there. So, let's do that again. And try again. Okay. So, let's load this again. From over here to that silver car over there. Okay, let's shoot it. Get ready, set, go. Why does it keep on going into the tree, man? Okay, let's get it again. Let's do that one last time. Just to see one last time if it'll actually go far. Not just go into a tree. Like it did just now. Okay. Load it in. And boom. Let's shoot it. One last time. Oh, wow. That was pretty far. Let's see. Right over there. Let's get the bullet. Wow, I went pretty far. Let's see how high it goes. Okay, let's load it in. It's loaded. Now let's put in the bullet. Okay, let's shoot it up. Just in case that it doesn't go into my house's sewers, just move away. Okay, let's do this. Oh my God, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where do you guys think it's going? I heard it. Where'd it go? Somewhere in the cement right here. Where'd it go? We literally remember it right here on the cement, I guess. Oh, it's over there. Wow, it's on the road. Got cross fast. Right there. Went pretty high. Went like humongous high, man. Okay, so let's say that this amazing gun is pretty accurate, man. So, if you're ever wondering to play a game of Nerf gun or something, you should buy SupaSplat. It's a good gun. So, it's about like $14 or $19 or something dollars. So, you can buy this at Target and so. Okay, so this is the best gun ever. Let's do this. It's time for war.